Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. We're about to head out to the Audi Colorado group meetup at Red Rocks, but I'm excited. I actually got a new pair of shoes today. So I think I'm gonna, well, there they go, wear these to the show. Look at these. I was really excited when I saw these at the mall because these are like my favorite shoe ever. So finding new variations on it always excites me. And it's been a while since I've gotten new ones, so there we go. Catch me wearing these today if you're hanging out. There we go. All right, so we made it, and now I just got to check out some more of the cars. What is he doing? I'm no car mechanic, but that's kind of nuts. Alright, so you can see my car there. It's getting pretty full, but having a wonderful time here, man. I gotta zoom out a little bit more than this. Gotta stop recording for that to happen, but there's a shit ton of cars here, man. I don't know why there's so many. I guess it's nicer weather and sunny and stuff, but this is kind of nuts. A lot of it is mixed in with more regular parking over here, but just kind of this way, you can see there's a ton of stuff. Yeah, there's a McLaren coming in. There's a ton of cars over there that I already filmed closer up. But yeah, look at all this. I'm not really sure what that is, but it looks like I should be taking a video of it, maybe? I don't know. Alright fellas, you're joining me after the Red Rocks meet. We are now basically driving straight to SLUSH. So I'll catch you there and I'll you know, update you if I see anything crazy on the way. Alright, I forgot to update y'all. Oh, there's some cool cars coming. But our friend Jonathan joined us, so we're heading over to SLUSH right now, like I kind of mentioned previously, but just figured I'd mention the car and show us cruising a little bit, you know? Alright, we've got Two-Faced Benz leaving us, man. I can't believe him. I thought he was going to go to the next spot, but maybe he's grabbing a bite to eat in the meantime? I don't know. Alright, here's all the cars from the meet. I guess they all came together. Alright, so we're at the SLUSH spot. A lot of people are coming here now. But we've kind of got some of the end people here. There we go. I'll film some of the cool stuff there too. Oh man, I think we got the new Type R here. Look at that. time I see this car, I gotta record it, dude. I love the Alfa Romeos, man. And of course the GTR looks great too.
2 slushes ago.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh my god. Well, this Supra looks so cool with the carbon fiber bits everywhere. Right.
yeah.
I love me some highlighter colored cars.
Right.
And then there's that, whatever that is. All right, boys, we got 1, 2, and then over there, you can't see it, but 3 Hot Wheels tables. I think the market is getting a little saturated. Look at this. The top is like halfway up. That's really cool. I didn't know you could just stop it. I guess it makes sense. Look at that. It's sparkling. Yeah. No, it's not Stradman, but it should be. There's another one here. Look at that. It's a great color too. It's crazy. There's like 300 cars or something here, and they're still pouring in. Look at this. But I don't know if you can tell. There's so many that way. Okay, dude. Look at this chrome teal, chrome green. I don't know. Even the windshield is chrome green. Oh, can I see myself in the reflection? Wow, look at this Elva or Evora? Oh yeah, Evora GT. That's awesome. You know, people are torn on this, but I love this grill. Look at this color, man. Damn. I'm a sucker for purple. All right, so we had a couple more friends join us. We got another intense blue. That looks good. And then we've got Barbados over here.
And stuff, and I was like, this, I don't know, man, I don't know. And then he had it on paper, and I was like, okay.
Let me get a clip of the back as well. Well, there you go, man. That thing looks awesome. Really cool in person. Oh man, what happened here? Literally no idea. There was no no car crash there or anything. I don't know what that was. All right, so you might have noticed I just teleported to a mall. That's because you might be able to see me. I just got a Ferrari hat. I'm having a couple friends over. I think more than a couple actually. We're going to be watching the Formula 1 race that's happening today, and eating some pizza. So I just ordered the pizza, and we got to pick up some sodies, and then we're all good, man. So I'll catch you guys. I'm not sure exactly where picking up the pizza or the sodas, but I'll see ya. Well, I'm sorry to report, but you have caught me at neither of those places. I actually ended up being extremely late to my own party. So I did not really feel like recording what I was doing was a great time investment. But here we are. Thanks so much for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate ya. I just had one shout out I wanted to make. Recently, over here at the Colorado Hyundai Enthusiast and More Facebook group, we've been getting a lot of new members. So if you're in the area and you want to, hook up, go to some meets or whatever, please join our Facebook group. We're kind of always posting stuff, fun pics and stuff. And if we ever go to meets or if we ever host our own meets, we post those here. There's also a chat that we talk in all the time. So feel free to join us if you're local, you know what I'm saying? Other than that, I think that's it. That's all I had to say, all my social media will be in the chat. And if you want to get some merch, I just realized that I have Twitch merch, but it's directly translatable to YouTube. So if you want to cop some Strobey merch, link will be in bio as well. I tried to make some really cool designs, and I wear them a lot. So if you want to support a homeboy, go ahead and do that. But other than that, thanks so much for watching. Here's some recommended videos on the screen, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.